I light all of the dances for Northfield Dance Ensemble and the Northfield Dance Day. And the difference between what we were able to do before this lighting was installed and after is truly amazing. We're able to see dimension in dancers. You can see the lighting from the sides, and so dancers don't look two-dimensional anymore. They look three-dimensional with all of the different shading and lighting opportunities that we have. So we will have use of it when we get to Winnetka Dance Day, which is in March. But not only that, every other performing arts ensemble or production will be able to use it. So Lagniappe will be able to use it. Any plays that might happen, our instrumental groups, our choirs, and also our choir opera musical will be able to use all of this equipment. So it's going to help not just the dance division, it's going to be so amazingly important for the whole performing arts division. And so we are so grateful to have been granted this generous equipment. Our dance division is so grateful to the Educational Foundation. Thank you for your generosity and for supplying teachers with these types of tools that can help the experience of our students.